Hello, ma'am, sir. Good day. My name is Jennifer Mangalas Badire, 39 years old. I am a solo parent of a 15 years old girl. We are 7 siblings in our family, and I am the third among us. My work experience is 2 years helper in Qatar. I finished my contract at the month of May 2024. There, I was responsible to maintain the cleanliness of their house, such as cleaning, ironing, washing clothes, marketing, and take caring of their children since birth until they grow up. Mom, sir, if you hire me, I can be a loyal, respectful, responsible, honest, and to be a good worker. And I can assure you to finish my contract with you. Thank you and God bless.